How to install Safes Kids on Android devices. On the parent's Android device, open Safes and tap the profile icon. Select Add New Device and give your child's device a name. Also, tell us their birth year and gender. Tap Generate Pair Code. You'll need this code for the next step. Now grab your child's Android device and open Safes Kids. Choose Get Started, then tap Kids Device. Accept the privacy policy and hit Continue. Select Continue again, enter the pair code you got earlier from the parent's device, and tap Pair. Next up, we need to grant some permissions. Allow accessibility permission for Safes. Just find Safes in installed apps and switch it on. Confirm it by selecting Allow. For battery optimization permission, select Allow and confirm it by selecting Allow again. Give access to usage data by choosing Allow and turning on Safes Kids. Now you'll need to activate System Alert Window Permission by selecting Allow for Safes Kids. Tap Allow and Activate for device admin access. Last thing, grant access to location services. Select Allow, choose Precise, and then, while using the app, press Let's Go, and you're all done.